The second website that's going to be looked at is a website that is designed to help students complete the Key Skills qualification in their sixth form studies. Key Skills consists of communication and application of number and ICT. It goes from levels 1 to 3, and these qualifications are designed to help students gain the basics of the English, maths and IT that they would need in either education or further employment. I use this website on numerous occasions when preparing students for their end of year tests. We are now going to look at one element of the website, and the first one beginning is communication. It is designed to train the students on a CBL basis so that they can learn at their own pace. As you can hear, there is a verbal introduction to the website. However, even within my own institution, the computers do not have an audio facility, so the learners would have to read the information for themselves. Some of the learners completing these qualifications, although they are at GCSE level, do not have the skills, and even students with EAL, English as an Additional Language, may struggle in looking at or reading the information provided. The learners are instructed to click the skills and learn, and as you can see, the user is provided with the option of taking a tour of the menu before they actually start to log their skills. Communication composed of 3 parts: speaking and listening, reading and writing. Within speaking and listening, there are areas of skills that the learners need to be proficient in to pass the test. Now, the level of learners that I teach, which are entry-level students and level 1 students, find it really difficult to use this website, as it can become overwhelming with all of the different boxes and different options. If we look at prepare an argument, the user has to first select the area that they are going to look at and then click the arrow. They then have to click the Learn section, which will take them to a step-by-step guide of how to complete and learn the skills needed for preparing an argument. The learners then have to continue within the area . The good thing about this website is that the learners receive immediate feedback. Although, as an educator, I don't think that the learners should be given the options of being told exactly what the answers are, as many learners would complete this and choose this option as an easy way out, and some learners would actually go on to use this as a get out clause, so to speak, or as I said before, an easy option which would not show a true reflection of their learning. The website is slow to upload sometimes, depending on how many students are using it at the same time. The learners would be at a disadvantage because of, as I said earlier, there is no audio facilities within the computers or the computer room that we use at college, so they would not be able to complete that particular element. As you can see, there are 6 pages of questions and activities designed to help the learner be able to learn the information required to prepare an argument and eventually pass the end of unit test. Although this screen looks quite efficient in keeping track of the learner's progress, it does not provide an ease of use, so the usability features of this website is not of a standard that will be required for the low level of learners that it is designed for. If we look at the progress map, the learners actually have to log their own progress to date, and some learners actually find this more of a chore than a necessity, so some learners actually forget